Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in the last video we talked about using this tool here, okay, all these tools. So today we talk about the rest. So we should finish everything concerning how to design a logo with Pixellab today. So I want to explain all the old tools we can use here. So we move to the next tool. Alright, so let's start. So this one, once you click on it, this is what you see. So you can make things out of this. Let's say we want to make a sticker. Okay, you can just select any sticker here and just use it for designing your logo. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, so you can use this. Or you can use this, you can use this, you can just choose anyone you want. Right. And these are all stickers you find in the app. Alright, so the next thing, but you can also import things. If you want to import this, okay, you can import it. You can also import something else. Let's say a picture. I can also import a picture. I want to import this. Yeah. Import this also. Okay. So the next thing, draw. You can also draw, make drawings, right? You can make drawings. Okay. Then shapes. Okay, you can just select the shape you want. To go with this one. Okay. If you want to go with this one, cool. If you want to go with this one, anyone. But let's go with circle today. And then you can change the color. Okay. Yeah. Then now we've created a shape. So when you created a shape, another options, another tools will come out. So these are tools now I can use to edit this shape I just created. Okay. So if I click on it, I have all these tools here. But if I don't click on it, I only have all this one here. Okay, but once I click on the shape I just created by clicking on these shapes, and then I created the shape. Okay. Then I can now do more things to this shape here. Alright. So I can also rectify myself. Maybe I made a mistake by choosing a wrong shape. I can click on edit and change the shape. Okay, I can use this one. I can go back to another shape. So we didn't make a mistake. So the next thing, delete. You can delete the shape. Okay, there you go. So go back. Then crop. You can also crop. Okay, so that then you can make a copy. Okay, so this one I don't like this to create something else. Let's say I want to create another thing from these two shapes here I have. So I can change this one to white. So if I do this, if I adjust this one, now I have, now if you can see there's another shape or something I just created. Now if I join these two shapes here, the white and the black, and if I come to erase color, now you see something I just created. I can adjust it, make it smooth. The edges, I can make these edges smooth. Okay, and you can also create something else. Let's say, let's go back to edit, select another shape. Let's go with this one. Okay, you can also create something else. You can rotate it. Okay, you can make copy. Have a look at this copy here, or you just click on this pencil here, tab there, and you just click on the copy. Okay, I can change the color to white. I can also create something from this tool here. I can make this. Let's say I want to make something like this. Okay, by joining together, and if I click on erase color, see I have this, and you can also adjust it. Remember, just using this tool, these two tools here, can make it smooth. Okay, and I can also create something else. Let's say this. Okay, I can join it together, then erase color. Okay, so just showing that you can join shapes together and then just create something else from the two shapes. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so we're back to circle. Then the next thing is to front and to back. I've explained this before, so just say I'm making a copy, and then I increase the size, then I change the color. Okay, so there's another shape under it. Okay, so I can make this one go back so that the one in the back will come front. Okay, now this one is in the front. I can also make this one go back so that the one in the back will come front. So I click on to back. I can also bring it front. Okay, so you can use this to front and to back to bring anything front, anything back. So let's delete this one. We don't need it. Then the next thing, position, just the same thing. Move it around. Okay, relative position. Put it in the middle, to the right, to the left, down, up, middle. Okay, and relative size, you can increase the size, reduce it. Remember, you can also increase it by clicking on this right button here. Okay, all right, now let's put it back to the middle. Okay, now color, you can change the color. Use any color you want. All right, texture, same thing. Download the texture and then use it. So I download the texture, install. Now it's on my phone. Now I can use it. Okay, so if I click on this, now it's not working because I'm already using a color. So if I go back and remove the color I'm using, now it's working. Okay, yeah. Then opacity. Right. Color filters, you can also make some adjustments with it. Okay, then stroke, you can add stroke, so you can use black, you can use this. Okay, so yeah. And eraser, you can erase. Okay, you can increase the size of the eraser. Set this, and then you can just erase. All right, I have this, so that's that. And marks, yeah. So to use this, you create a shape. So I create a shape. Okay, let's say I'm making it black. Then I come to marks. Okay, then I can just create something from it. So I can just put this here. Okay, and then adjust it. So and then I click on this enable. Now I've created something. I can also make a copy, then join it together. Then I'll click on out. So just created this. Okay, can go with this. I can also create something else. Let's say we want to create another thing. We go to max. Okay. Um, you adjust it with these two buttons here, this one here and this one here. Okay, so then I click on copy and I make the other side. Okay, then I click on out after I've created this shape what I want it to be. Okay, now I have this again. So that is just used for creating something. So, and then remember, we can also create something from two shapes. Now if I have this, if I want to make this, I can make this white. Let's say I want to make it white. Remember, you can change the color, make it white. Okay, then I place it on top of this shape here. Then I will join these two shapes together, this and this. Remember, just click on this thing here, and then to show you everything you have, and you can just join them together. Just click on this one here, and then just join. Okay, so I'll go to erase color, and see I've cut that part. Okay, so that's that. You can smoothen it using these tools here, right? So that's that. Then that's for max. Okay, then erase color. I think I'll just show you guys how to do it. So the next thing, rotate. Make it rotate, and you can also use this one here to rotate, right? Then 3D rotate. You can move it out. Okay. Okay. Just use this. Then 3D shape. You click enabled. Then you have this. Now it's upside down. Okay. Now you see the side. Okay, you can see you can reduce the depth. You can reduce it to this. You can reduce it, you can increase it. Your choice. So let's we're going with this. Then you can darken it. Okay. So you can see. You can darken it. Okay. You can make it, let's say 70. Alright, so that's that. You can also change it, how the thing will, how this shape will be like. So yeah. Then perspective. Let's do some adjustments here. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing, shadow. You can add shadow. You can reduce the blur radius. You can move it where you move the shadow where you want it to be. Let's say here. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Inner shadow, you can also put shadow inside. So, okay. Yeah, let's come up with ideas. And then emboss. You can adjust it. I can use any one I want, so I can adjust it probably to 70. Let's say 70. Put this in. Okay, let's say 57, and then just be checking, and then be looking at it so you know how you want it to be. Okay, so I've created this. Right, yeah, so we have actually finished everything here. We're about to use all these tools here to edit this shape here. Okay, then we move to the next one. Now remember, we click on shape and then we did this, so we choose circle and then we started doing some editing. Okay, so arrow, you can choose any arrow. Okay, yeah, choose the color, so, and then just use it. Now I want to put it here. Okay, that's that. Then right, so we just move to the next option, the next tool, which is this one. Okay, so I change the background to another color, so you can change it to any color you want. Let's say we're going with white. Alright, okay, then you can also make it transparent if you're making a PNG, okay, logo. Okay, so that means you can place it on anything, on a photo or any other thing. Okay, and you can just go back to this. If you don't want that, then you can adjust it to, let's say I want to make a thumbnail, right? So right now I've adjusted it so that when I want to use it, it will be the exact size for the thumbnail. Okay, then you can also use these images here. It's already on the app. Then you can also import photos or import things. Okay, so remember I've showed you guys this. Now you can also adjust it to the size you want. That if you want it to cover everything, just click on this here. Now you have that. And if you want to make some adjustments, before it was locked, you can unlock it so you can adjust it. But if it's locked, you won't be able to move it. That's like this, you can't do that. So you can unlock it. Alright, now it's in the back, but if I don't want to use it, I can change it. I want to use this one. Okay, so you see. So let's go back to this. Now the next thing is this one. You can do this. You can also click on this and then just adjust. Then you can also click on noise, then stripes. Okay, you can increase the brightness and reduce it. So you see, let's leave it for this. Let's leave it for this one. Then contrast. See what's happening. You can just make some adjustments. See, you can also change color like this also. Then saturation. Okay, yeah, so I've actually explained everything from this, and this. Okay, so the next thing are the tools up here. Alright, so I've explained this one here to show you the things you have. So I still have this one that I can use to make a letter, word, or a sentence. So if I drag it up, that way I can also bring it forward. So instead of me coming here and then clicking on to font, I can also bring it forward like that. I can also take it back. Okay, so you can also make it come forward and make it go back. Just clicking on this and then drag it up. Then in the font, You can click on this, drag it down, and it's in the back. Alright, then this one, if you click on this, you can actually use it to arrange it. Okay, you can also use it to arrange it and do some things. Okay, so if I want to create this now, okay, let's say this one. Okay, you can make it on. Remember, then I reduce it. I want to put it here. Just use showing this thing. So, and I want to create another one. Let's first change the color to black. Okay, I want to create another one. Just click on this pencil and then done. Or rather than doing that, you can just click on what you want to do and just click on crop and then move it to where you want it to be. So if I want to move it to my left, now if I click OK, now it's there. If I want to move it, okay, so I can also do that. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So if I want to do this one, now it's facing my right. If I want to move it, let it face my left. I click on crop and then click on this one. Now you see it's moving. So nice. If I click on it, now it's facing my right, my left, sorry. Then so yeah, okay, so now I have these two here, these two objects here. Now I want both of them to be on the same place, so I can just use these lines here to make both of them on the same place. So if I click on this and then I make this one also be on that line, and see, I see both of them are on the same line, so I know that they are on the same place. So that's what these lines are for. Okay, then you can, this one, you want to zoom it. Okay, you can zoom, then click on it back to. But when you zoom it, you can't actually do anything now. You cannot edit it. If you click on this, nothing is working. Until when you click, then you can now start doing it. So if I zoom, if I click on this shape here, it's not working. Okay, then see nothing is working. I'm clicking, it's not working. But if I click on it back, now I can now adjust. Okay, now you can make it go back to the normal. Then I've already explained this one. Going back, if you want to correct something, you can just go back and then delete. We explained that pencil, you want to make a copy or do some things. Now this one is to make a copy. Alright, this one size, you want to increase the size, you want to reduce the size. Now you see that bring it here. Then this one, arranging it, want to put it in the middle, want to put it down, want to put it up, want to put it to the left, to the right. Okay, then rotate. Okay, I'm just showing you how to use all this. I've already explained all these tools here. This one to front to back. And I place this on that shape. If I click on back, that is in the back. In the back, you can bring it forward. Yeah. So yeah. Then this one here. Okay. You can use image from gallery. Yeah, you can put it in full screen. Okay, you can go back. That's after you've done your logo and everything. You can put it in full screen to look at it, how it looks like. Then you can also use image from camera. You can export image. All those tools here are also down here. Okay, you can now choose the image size. Okay, so when I made a video on how to put a thumbnail to your videos, to your YouTube videos, this is what I use. So just come to custom, click on it, then select it. You can use Facebook cover art that you want to use for Facebook. You can use it for YouTube channel banner, profile picture, and so on. So what we're going for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so if I'm putting it for my YouTube videos thumbnail to be the exact size, then to start reducing it or increasing it again, it's the exact size. Alright, so and then you can also click on tutorial and then take you to videos that will teach you how to use the app. Then that's that. You can also open PLP file. That's those designs you stored. Let me show you. So if I click on this here, if I click on save as project and then I put a name, let's say tutorial 2. Okay, now if I come here, open PLP file, now it's there. So that's, maybe you have a work, okay, and then you're not done with it, you can just save it as a project and then you can just go back to the work and then finish it. Okay, all right, then this one for making quotes. Okay, you can just use any quotes here. Probably you want to put a quote, right? Then you can also share. Just clicking on this one here, you must save it. Once you save it, then you can share. Okay, you can also save it. Remember, you can just click on save as image and then to be saved. All right, and then you can also create another test. Clicking on test, creating another test. You can also put current date. Okay, shape, just go instead of coming to shape, you can also click on shape and then shapes here and then a shape to take you to this. Okay, you can just choose any shape you want. Okay, and then you can also draw. I've explained that, so I think I've explained everything here. And then this line here, you can also adjust it. You can move it. If that's not where you want to put it, you can move it. You can just click on it and then move. Okay, you can push it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's put this one up. Okay, you can also push this one. Now I don't know whether they're on the same line. You can just use this to just click on it and then adjust it so that they can be on the same line. So yeah, so I think I've explained everything here. But if you feel there's something missing, you can just comment below. Something I didn't explain, comment below and I'll explain it to you. Or there's something you're trying to do and then you didn't get it. Okay, comment below, I'll give you a reply for sure. So if you have any question, comment below. And also please, if you're just watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. So I believe if you watch this video to the end, then you should know everything about designing a logo with Pixellab. Okay, you can make other things, not just a logo. You can also make a flyer, you can make a banner. Yeah, I'll also make a video on how to make a YouTube banner. Okay, all right, so you guys should just try this and then the next video we'll create a logo together. So we've actually created a logo. So if I just delete this one, and then I bring the text at the back, I can bring it forward, and I can just put anything there. Let's say I'm going for, I don't know, let's say H-ball logo. Okay, all right, so since it's a circle, so let me just put ball, and then you can just do some editing. Remember, just come to this tab here and then click on the color, black, or let's quickly use a color. Let's say we're using this, then try to make it fast. Okay, you can choose the font. Remember, choose the font you want to use. So I'm using this one. Okay, then go to 3D test. Okay, adjust it. Remember, you can reduce the depth Let's say 10. You can give spacing because they are all joined together, so you can give spacing. Let's say this. Okay, then shadow. Remember, put your shadow. You can increase it, reduce the blur radius. Let's say 3. Then this one, let's say 5 minus 5, sorry, 2. Then emboss. So just take and then just let's see and then so I was rushing, but I just show you that you can also make a logo here. So we just made the logo. We can adjust it. Okay, put it where you want it to be. You can put it in the middle. Yeah. So yeah. So this is actually the logo. So alright. See you guys in the next video.